Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss cough. Cough is one of the main symptoms of lung illness. The acute cough is caused by exterior malignant elements, while the chronic one is due to interior factors. The acute cough is not dealt with, if not dealt with properly, will turn into chronic cough, which will last long. Chronic cough of old and weak people with inner organs harm seriously will develop into asthma. In the period of parachmasis, scraping therapy can be used to cure and prevent these two kinds of cough. If shell looks very obvious in the process of the scraping therapy, scraping can be done once every 3 days. If not obvious, it can be done once a day. A course of scraping treatment is 1 week in succession. Generally, there will be curative effect within one course. Let's explore here in the figure. First, lung 2 or Yunmen point, 6 soon away from the anterior median line on the chest at the lower edge of the collarbone, with hands on hips in a triangular cavity at the lower edge outside the collarbone. Next is lung 1 or Zhongfu point on the chest, 6 soon lateral to the anterior midline at the same level as the first intercostal space lateral to the infraclavicular fossa. Next is lung 5 or the Chize point with the elbow bent slightly in a cavity of the outer side of the biceps brachii on the cubital crease. And then next is lung 7 or the Li Chiu point. Take one index finger and put it at the top of the opposite thumb, then slide it in until the tip of the index finger crosses the back of the hand. The index finger is now touching the opposite Li Chiu point. Next is bladder 11 or the Daju point. In the spine area, 1.5 soon lateral to the posterior midline of the lower border of the spinous process of the first thoracic vertebra. Next is the bladder 13 or the Feishu point, 1.5 soon beside the third thoracic vertebra on the inner side of the scapula. The recommended procedures are first, the Daju point or the Feishu point. We use the surface scraping to scrape the Daju point to Feishu point on both sides from up to down. Next is the Yunmen point or the Zhongfu point. Use the single angle scraping to scrape the Yunmen point to Zhongfu point from up to down. Third, the Chize point or the Li Chiu point. Use the surface scraping to scrape from Chize point to Li Chiu point from up to down on both of the upper limbs. The therapies to increase the curative effect, it will produce much better effect for the prevention and cure of cough if the scraping goes together with diet therapy. First, the diet therapy for the cough caused by wind cold. We slice ginger for 10 grams and then immerse it in the boiling water in a pot with a cover for about 5 minutes and then add in brown sugar of 15 grams. With this done, drink it while it is hot once every day and then sleep under the quilt for sweating. Next, the diet therapy for the cough caused by wind heat. The almond, mulberry leaves, and fructus arcti of 9 grams respectively, as well as radix platycodi and peppermint leaves of 5 grams respectively are boiled for oral use twice a day. And then the diet therapy for chronic cough, the pear, rocky candy, tremella, and dried lily are boiled together for oral use. This has a very good curative effect on moistening lungs to relieve cough. Thank you for your attention.